Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
Hey there, have you ever wondered about pointed cabbage? It's a fantastic, often overlooked vegetable, known for its sweet, delicate flavor and tender leaves. It's truly a superstar in the kitchen, quite versatile and quick to cook. We're going to dive into how easy it is to bring this wonderful veggie to your plate, making healthy eating both simple and delicious. Getting pointed cabbage ready is incredibly easy. Start by peeling off any loose or damaged outer leaves. Then, you simply cut it lengthwise right through the middle and the core. From there, you can slice each half into nice, thin strips. It's a very clean vegetable, so a quick rinse under cold water is usually all you need before you start cooking. Sautéing pointed cabbage truly brings out its best flavor. Just heat a large pan with a little olive oil, and once it's warm, toss in your sliced cabbage along with a bit of minced garlic. Stir it around often, letting it cook for just 5 to 7 minutes. You want it to be tender but still have a nice, slight crispness, which is absolutely delicious. If you're looking for different textures, roasting or steaming pointed cabbage are great options. Roasting brings out a wonderful sweetness and a slightly crispy edge, which is fantastic. Steaming, on the other hand, keeps it really tender and vibrant green, preserving more of its natural goodness. Both methods are super simple and yield delicious results. Now for the best part, enjoying your freshly cooked pointed cabbage. It makes a fantastic side for almost any main course, whether it's roasted chicken or a simple piece of fish. You can also mix it into stir-fries or even use it raw in salads for a lovely crunch. Don't be afraid to get creative with your seasonings, perhaps a squeeze of lemon or a sprinkle of herbs to make it truly your own.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.